remember I told you don't throw away the seeds from your cantaloupe and to have a little wedge from your juicing that morning, because we're going to make cantaloupe milk. So what you'll need is the seeds from your cantaloupe, a piece of cantaloupe, and this can be the seeds from a whole cantaloupe and about half a cantaloupe or a quarter of a cantaloupe to make your milk. I'm just making a small batch to demonstrate how you make cantaloupe milk. You're going to need a straining bag or a sprouting bag, whichever you have at home, or some cheesecloth, whatever you can strain with, and a bowl to strain in there, and a Vitamix or a blender. So let's start. Alright, I'm going to put in my wedge and my seeds, which is not much, I know. It actually looks like I'm juicing, but when you have a large amount of seeds and about, let's say, a quarter of a cantaloupe, then you can really see the cantaloupe milk. Alright, and to this I'm going to add filtered water. I have a filter on my sink already. I have an Aquasana filtering system. And I'm going to put in about, let me get the lid off. This is a 6-ounce glass. I'm going to put about 9 ounces of water. 8 ounces of water. 8. Alright. And I'm going to let this go. Lower it. Okay. Back on top. Now I'm going to put this in my straining bag. And depending how thick or how thin you want it, I could have put 4 ounces of water, depending on how thick or thin you want it. So your pulp and your seeds are in here. Alright, and here's the pulp that I have left. Now, let me put this in a jar so you can take a look at the milk. Wait, I'm just going to get my glass. So, here's cantaloupe milk. And what would you use it for? To drink. You can add some cinnamon to this. You can warm it up. You can add it to cakes, pastries, muffins. You can substitute it for milk. I mean, I wouldn't add it to tea, or maybe, yes, I haven't, but delicious. Very light, very, with a couple of ice cubes, you have a beautiful summer drink. A couple of leaves of mint. Just another milk substitute. Cantaloupe seed milk. Here's the color once again. So this is a warm morning drink that I have. It's a cantaloupe, cinnamon, vanilla, hot cantaloupe. So what I did is I warmed my cantaloupe in my Vitamix, but you can warm it up on top of the stove in a double boiler till it just gets warm to the temperature you like, Or you can heat it up on top of the dehydrator, leave it there for about an hour, it'll warm up. Or if you'd like, in a microwave on a low setting for 30 seconds, and you can warm it up that way. What I did is I just put it in my Vitamix. That's where I warm up most of my food. Then I added some vanilla extract and some cinnamon, which I'll do right now. Let me turn it. And there I have my morning hot cup of milk. Delicious. Oh my God, the taste of vanilla and cinnamon together with the cantaloupe milk. Delicious. So something else you can have on your juice odyssey. Excuse me.